Hi everyone, this is Cindy, Cricut the Heart, and I am back with a Crafter's Companion warehouse haul. So they were having a warehouse sale. Prices are really great. I think it's still going on. I'm going to go over what I got and the pricing. It's pretty amazing. So this whole stack of stuff shipped to my house with tax was $56.03. So it's pretty amazing. So let's go into it right now. First is this Desire metal die. It's part of the Create a Card line. It's 2 by 5.8 inches, I believe. And this is what it looks like. And so this one right here is called Beatrice. And this die was $3. $3. This die right here is called a Bordeaux. Now, it makes this part for the house, but I kind of liked it as like an accent. I could kind of use it as like a fold of a card. So I thought of some different ways that I could use this. But anyway, this is called Bordeaux, and it was $3. Very pretty. This right here is called Spring Garden, and you get 4 dies. This is what it looks like. It's beautiful. This one was $5, and the size of this is 5 by 5. So this one is $5. This one right here has 6 dies, and it's called Love is in the Air. And it's approximately 5 by 4.7 inches. And this is what it looks like. So it's pretty neat because you could put the hearts together, or you can have them kind of separated and off the page. It's very pretty. So this one, I forgot what I said it was called, is $5. Then this one right here is called Decadent Hearts. And Decadent Hearts was $3. And this is what it looks like. Is that amazing? So $3. And then this is called Rosie. You get 6 dies. So you could just layer these dies, or you could, there's different cards that can kind of go together. I mean, you can layer everything. I don't know. It's just kind of cool. They had a bunch of different ones. I picked one that I thought that wasn't something I already had. So this one, what did I say it was called? Rosie. Rosie was $5. $5 for all of these dies. And they range in size. The largest size is 5.9 by 5.9 inches. But they range in size. So this big one, I don't know if it'll fit in the Cuttlebug or not, but I'm pretty sure that the Big Shot does 6 inches. But you also could do the next size, would probably fit. This one right here is called Splendid Swirls, and this die was $3, and you get 1 die, and this is what it looks like. Just beautiful. This one is called Ornate Snowflake, and the size is 4.2 by 4.2, and you get 6 dies. I'm sorry, 6 dies. 6 dies? Is that correct? Oh, I guess so. These are all different. I don't know. There's an outline and an inside. Oh, an outline and inside, outline, inside. Okay. So I guess, yeah, 6 dies. This one, I really wanted this one, was $5. Okay, so that one's really cool. And then they had a grab bag. So for $20, you got a mystery bag. And I thought, what could be in a mystery bag? So I went for it because I'm nuts. I'm nuts like that. So there'll be some crazy crinkling. I'm so sorry. I probably should have taken it out, but I didn't. So let me show you everything that is in here. Hopefully, that was too loud. Okay, so in here you get this Spectrum Noir Colorista Aqua Premium Watercolor Pad. Oh, so it's like a coloring book, but watercolors. So that was included. This ginormous embossing folder, 8x8 embossing folder. I have to see if it fits in my Spellbinders, whatever that machine is that I have. I got a new machine with a wider thing, so I'll let you know if this fits in there, because this is huge. It is 8x8, just humongous. So that's in there. We got this Crafter's Companion Inspiration Magazine. It's all full colors, very pretty. And then we got this Sew Inspired sewing kit worth 25 pounds. So in this kit, you get, I don't know what this is. You get some patterns, I think. You get some kind of a template. You get some fabric. I don't know. To turn over to see what's inside. It's a sewing kit, so you get 6 stylish storage patterns, a funky cactus fat quarter, a threader's template, inspirational ideas magazine. I don't know. I mean, I do sew. I don't sew a lot, and I don't sew like super well, but I do sew. So I don't know what's the heck is in here, but cool. Whatever it is, it's fun to open. I'll just show you. So you do get this magazine, which has many projects already in here, so that's cool. You get this template, which it's a threader's template. I have no idea what you do with that. Like I said, so here's patterns. So 6 patterns, and you get your fabric. So kind of fun and different. So if you don't sew, you might be like sad, but I mean, you definitely could use these items for, you know, other paper crafts. I can put everything back in here because okay, so then also in here, I get this die, which is the same die that I just bought, which is the Love is in the Air die. So I'm going to have to probably put that in my D-stash. So that die I already got, so that kind of stinks. And then this die, which thank God I didn't buy. This is the classic chandelier die, and I thought about getting this, but I didn't, so I'm glad for that. That's what that looks like right there. You do get those. You also get these beautiful borders. So those are nice. So just the dies alone are definitely worth the $20. Then you get foil transfers in these butterfly. And then we get a couple of stamps. So we get this one, which is like a kind of a fantasy type stamp. And then this one, which is like a Christmas stamp. So all of this was $20. I think it's worth $20. I mean, granted, I did get something that I already had, but I definitely will use these two, and I'll find a way to use these foil transfers. I'll do something with the sewing kit, and I mean, this could even be something that occupies my daughter during baseball season. And then this embossing folder is just humongous. So I'm going to have to see how I'm going to make that work. Anyway, that is my Crafter's Companion haul. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Decadent Hearts.